Dell docking stations like the WD-19 and WD-22TB enhance laptop connectivity but can face issues. Common problems include charging failures, display detection problems, USB malfunctions, and audio glitches. Begin troubleshooting by checking all cable connections are secure, cleaning the ports, and ensuring your operating system is compatible and up to date. Power issues may stem from incompatible or faulty USB-C cables, so ensure your cable is certified for at least 100 watts for models like the WD22TB. For display problems, press Windows P to cycle through display modes and update your graphics drivers directly from Intel, NVIDIA, AMD. USB and audio issues often result from driver conflicts or power overloads. Disconnect peripherals one by one to isolate the fault, then update drivers via Device Manager. After initial checks, download the latest drivers and firmware from Dell's support website to ensure compatibility and fix known issues. Use Dell Support Assist for automated scans and updates that can detect and resolve many common problems automatically. If problems persist, isolate the issue by disconnecting all peripherals and reconnecting them one by one to identify which device is causing the problem. For more advanced diagnostics, use the Event Viewer in Windows to check for error logs that can reveal specific issues with the docking station. Utilize Dell's built-in hardware diagnostics tool to test the docking station components systematically. If a specific port is malfunctioning, test other devices or cables to determine if the issue is with the dock itself or the connected device. As a last resort, contact Dell support, especially if your device is under warranty, for professional assistance. AI diagnostics are being introduced in newer models like the WD-25TB, which aims to halve troubleshooting time. Ensure to regularly update firmware as security flaws do exist and need to be patched to protect your system.